Go carpet cleaning in Druid Hills, Georgia. Testimonials. Go Carpet Cleaning is among the top carpet cleaning service providers in Druid Hills. Concentrating on commercial and residential carpets, rugs, and upholstery services, we provide natural products to battle any stain, even tough ones. We want to ensure that our customers are 100% pleased with the carpet cleaning that we offer, and we ensure total satisfaction on each and every job. Take a look at some of our reviews.
Gal was very professional. Arrived on time and was very fair with his price. I am very impressed with his quality of work and how clean my carpets are. Would definitely use again and recommend to anyone needing carpet cleaning.
Very nice. All stains came out on time, very nice.
Our commitment is unmatched by any other company, since not only do we provide quality work on time, each and every single visit, but also provide outstanding customer care that will make sure all of our customers' needs are fulfilled, each step of the way. Our carpet cleaning services in Druid Hills are extensive and safe, and we work to guarantee our clients are satisfied before we leave any task. We do more than carpet cleaning. Our specialists are extremely trained and qualified in all things related to HVAC systems, including particular understanding of how best to clear out your system, without harming it or interrupting its natural flow. For carpet and more cleaning services in Druid Hills and surrounding areas, contact Go Carpet Cleaning. Visit us at gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com or call us at 678-818-5698.